best way to sort through Vegas is the alcohol, no alcohol routine. Mandalay Bay has an amazing aquarium called Shark Reef, where you can see jellyfish and touch stingrays and of course see sharks. They're old enough, the Cyclone roller coaster at New York, and the 4 terrifying rides atop the stratosphere take advantage of every foot of the skyscraper. The secret garden and dolphin habitat at the Mirage puts you in the water with bottlenose dolphins. The MGM has a lion habitat in plain view of the casino floor, where there are always a couple of lions lounging around or playing with their trainers. Outside on the Strip, inside the Showcase Mall, there is an M&M world with 4 floors of everything candy, including M&M Monopoly, a replica of Kyle Busch's sponsored race car, 22 different colors of M&Ms, just to name a few. Next door is a 55,000 square foot arcade, and next to that's a movie theater with all the newest movies. Beyond that, the main attraction for kids seems to be the pools. Every hotel has separate pools for the parties and for adults, so that the main areas are very kid-friendly. Mandalay Bay even has a wave pool, which is very popular with all ages. And the Golden Nugget has a water slide that actually shoots you through a shark tank if you're looking for a thrill.